Hi there. I've got a Zoom waiting room video loaded on my Zoom account. So when people are waiting to come into my meetings and webinars, they get a little video promotion that I've made on their entry. A lot of people could be taking advantage of this that have not built it. So I thought I'd show you. I'm adding a new badge into um, my little video, a new one from Canva. So I've just done that. I've got several slides in here about myself, my badges, a fun little quote to get us started, and I have added a few um, QR codes and photos of me doing different things. So this is the slideshow, and I've completed some music and stuff in there too. Each slide is set with timings, so I've got about 10 seconds or so per slide. And I've also animated it. So when you run it and play it, it works really nicely. Now, what I've done here, when I go to share and download, what you'll do here is download it as a video. So even though it's set for a slideshow, that's basically what I did. I made a presentation and then added some animation and transitions and even audio to it. And I've already done that part. Now I'll take you over to, when you get to Zoom, you'll go down in the sidebar when you're signed in on your Zoom account and go to settings. From settings, go into meeting. And then from meeting, you'll scroll down. You know, there's a lot of things in here. You'll enable the waiting room if you've never done that. It just gives people a place to land while you are getting set up and ready for your virtual meetings. And then here, you can set options and customize the waiting room. That's where I'm going. Now, I've got one in here that's similar that I did a few months ago, but I'll go ahead and remove that video. And here I can upload or drop the video here. You could have an image, a logo, or video. So we'll just do that. I put it out on my desktop. It's ready for me. There we go. And that is all there is to it. I can save it from here. My new one is loaded up and ready to go. So next time, it'll be updated with all my most recent certification badges. So that's awesome. That's it. Make a video presentation from Canva, from PowerPoint, from Google Slides, wherever you make presentations, you can save it as a video and then bring it into your Zoom waiting room. Have a great day.